Welcome friends to my channel AB Infotech. Today I will discuss with you a Windows network problem issue which error code is 0x80070035. The error code 0x80070035, the network path was not found in Windows 10, is a common issue that prevents user from accessing shared folders or network devices. This problem can occur for several reasons. Here are we give some solution to you to try to resolve the issue. Before start to solve your problem, you must check the basic options of your network. First, you verify network connectivity. Ensure both your computer and target computer are connected to the same network or same Wi-Fi or same Ethernet. For example, if your system connected a Wi-Fi named Purnima 2.4, then target system must be connected to the Purnima 2.4 Wi-Fi. Or if your computer connected with network, then you have to verify the network connection through internet. Select network icon, right click and select properties. Go to the change adapter settings options. Select Ethernet, right click and click properties. Then select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IP and click properties. The IP address class of IP address must same, and subnet mask and default gateway must same, and also DNS must be same. And also you verify the both computer are belongs to same work group. Click my computer icon, click properties, select advanced system settings and click from select computer name. From here you know what is your work group or domain. Target computer and your computer must belongs to the same work group. Now we try to connect the target system by writing / and target device computer name together in run options. Press Windows button and R key on the keyboard of your computer. The run option will be appear. Then write / and name of the target device. For example, my target device is COM1, so write COM1 and press enter. If the network error shows Windows cannot access COM1, then there will be some problem in your network path or network configuration. You can also try to connect the target computer or target device by writing / and IP address of target computer together. If the options are unable to access your target computer, then we go for other solution. But first, you please restart your computer and the target devices and then your network devices. Sometimes they can often resolve your temporary network glitches. The first solution is enable network discovery and file and printer sharing. Go to the desktop and select network icon. Right click and click properties. Select change advanced sharing settings. In private option, you must select turn on network discovery. In file and printer sharing, you must select turn on file and printer sharing. In guest or public option, you must select turn on network discovery and turn on file and printer sharing. In all network option, you select turn on sharing so anyone with network access can read and write files in the public folders, and select turn off password protected sharing and click save changes. It may be solve your problem. But you have to remember, you have to do same things on both computer, your and target computer. The second method is change to private network option from public. Right click the Windows button, click settings, then select network and internet and double click. Then select properties, and then in network profile change public to private. It may be solve your network issue. The third option is reset the network. Right click the Windows button, click settings, select network and internet and double click. And then select network reset and then select reset now and click yes. It will be restart your system after 5 minutes and your network settings will reset to the default of Windows systems. It may be solve your problem. Dear friends, sometime we noticed after updatation of Windows 10 the network problem arised. In this case, you may go back to your previous build of Windows 10 to solve the problem. Right click the Windows button and click settings. Select update and security and double click. Select recovery. And there will be option go back to the previous version of Windows 10. If recently within 10 days your Windows 10 updated in new version, then there the get started option will be highlighted. Click get started option and follow the instruction. After uninstall the newly build of Windows 10, maybe your network problem will be resolved. The fifth solution is check the SMB protocol. Right in the search option, turn Windows features on off. Select the option turn Windows features on or off. And select all option of SMB 1.0 and click OK. It may be solve your problem after fully installed of SMB protocol. Another possible solution is configure function discovery providers and resources publications. Press Windows button and R both together on your keyboard. Write services.msc on run option and click OK. From there, first found function discovery provider host. Function discovery provider host. It must startup type is automatic and service status is running. Then it is OK. Then select function discovery resource publications and verify that startup type must automatic and service status. Click OK. Then find SSDP. SSDP discovery. Change startup type to automatic and service status must running and click apply OK. And then search UPnP device host. UPnP device host. Startup type must automatic and service status must start. Service status must running and click apply OK. After then restart the system. Sometimes we notice due to Internet Protocol 6 the network issue is occurred. To solve the problem, you have to open control panel and then select network and sharing center and click change adapter settings. From there you have to select the network option from which you are connected to the local network. From here I have a Wi-Fi connection. You may be Ethernet connection, no matter. Select the connection and click right click and select properties and select and uncheck the Internet Protocol version 6. Click OK and restart the system. It may be solve your issue. Dear friends, sometimes we noticed third-party antivirus or firewall may be blocking the connection. So check it is true or not. We have to temporarily uninstall them to solve the issue. For example, I have an antivirus and firewall named QuickHeal. To uninstall the antivirus, we have to open control panel, then select programs and features, then select the antivirus. For my example, it is QuickHeal Internet Security. and uninstall them. After uninstall, you must restart the system and check it is working or not your network connection. Now restart the system. Dear friends, we also noticed that sometimes Windows firewall might be blocking the connection. To check that, we have to write Windows firewall in search button there will be options open that Windows Defender Firewall. Click that or open that. Then here is option allow an apps or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Double click that. From here find file and printer sharing. It must be checked in private and public options both, and also search network discovery, and it will be must check private and public both cases and click OK. If anyhow it is unchecked, then your network connection not established with another computer. Dear friend, sometimes outdated or faulty network adapters drivers can cause network connectivity issue. To solve the problem, we go to this PC and select and right click that and click properties. And select device manager and double click that. From here we select the network adapter and right click that and click update driver and select search automatically for drivers. From here it will search the latest driver from website and install them and maybe solve your problem. Sometimes you have to reinstall the latest driver from manufacturer website. Dear friend, by systematically trying these solutions, you should be able to identify and resolve the network path was not found error in Windows 10. Remember to test after each potential fix to see if the issue is resolved. And every time must restart the system. Thank you. Stay with us and subscribe us. Thank you. See you again.